Hello. Okay. What we're going to talk over here is more likely understood by everybody because everybody understands this. And everybody says this to each other. Everybody says that yes, you have to give a clear instruction to everyone. Because clear instructions create clear outcome. Are we agreeing to this part? Everybody agrees to it. When you give a clear instruction, I understand there is an exchange between two, or between many, or between one to many and many to one. When an instruction is given, there is a moment, and if you don't use the most of that moment, you don't give a clear instruction. Little confusing, little simplified. Everybody understands, live in the moment. Make the most of now. Everybody understands this. Because everybody understands this. But when it comes to doing it, nobody does it. Or, correction. Those who do it, they don't have to worry about it because they don't get the situation where they have to see, understand this as the understanding point. Because it's effortless for them. Coming back to that point. The point which I was saying is, when you are instructing, instruct clear. Give clear instruction. Meaning, make the instruction understood by the person who's taking the instruction. Give clarity. Take clarity. This involves two. There are two people who are involved into this process. There are many people involved into this process. There are one to many, many to one. When you are instructing, when you are giving an instruction, try making it as simple as possible. Here, again, when you are making it simple, you don't have to make it simple for you. Assuming that what you are understanding is the same understanding of the person is the first mistake. That's where it gets stuck. Your understanding and the other person's understanding is equal understanding. If that's every time possible, things would never get delayed. Things would never get misunderstood. Things would never get into a problem situation. It doesn't get complicated when both of them are at the same wavelength, at the same understanding, at the same clarity of the instruction. The problem happens when there is no clarity of instruction. Why? Because it is not being re-verified. There is a new word coming, re-verified. Verification of the clarity. It takes time. It takes time to have the state made shorter. Clarification, re-verification, as simple as you can make it, as fast as you can make it over a period of time. The people who are part of that discussion, the people who are part of that instruction giving and taking scenario, becomes easy for them to understand, becomes easy for them to say. And when this does not happen, there is confusion. And there is confusion forever till the time that clarity is got given. So you go from A to B and you go from A to C. The distance between A to B and A to C, if you check that, you'll understand. The distance of clarity A to B is large, the work is delayed. The distance between A to C as short, the work is faster. So if you don't have that problem of having a B in between, I think A to C is always good. Complicated? Not been able to make you understand? I don't know if this made sense.